In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to TurboTax. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the official TurboTax website before entering any account information. This is a good habit anytime you're signing in to a financial or tax-related service, since it helps protect your personal information and keeps the process secure. On the home page, look for the Sign In option, usually located near the top of the page, and click it. This will take you to the login screen where you can access your TurboTax account. From there, enter your user ID or email address in the first field. In the password field, type your password carefully. Since passwords are case sensitive, it's a good idea to double check for any typing mistakes before moving on. If you're using a personal device and you're comfortable doing so, you may also choose to save your login information in your browser or password manager for easier access later. However, avoid saving credentials on shared or public computers. After entering your login details, continue to the next step and complete the two-factor authentication verification. This extra security step helps confirm that it's really you trying to access the account. Depending on your setup, you may receive a verification code by text message, email, or through an authentication method linked to your account. When the code arrives, enter it exactly as shown and submit it to finish signing in. If the code doesn't appear right away, wait a few moments and check carefully before requesting a new one. Also, make sure you have access to the device or inbox connected to your account, since you'll need it to complete the verification successfully. Once the code is accepted, you should be signed in and taken into your TurboTax account. At that point, you can continue with whatever task you need, whether that's reviewing your tax return, accessing documents, or managing your account details.